A special Food and Drug Administration process to get patients earlier access to new drugs has come under fire. The accelerated approval process speeds medicines to market based on preliminary study data. But there is a condition: the drug maker needs to do an additional study after the drug is on the market to prove the drug really works. If the study doesn't pan out, the drug can be pulled off the market. But some drug makers have fallen behind on their commitments to do those confirmatory studies, leaving patients and their doctors to make difficult decisions with incomplete information. The promise of accelerated approval is that you're going to get access and answers, said Greg Gonsalves, a Yale. And what happens is you got the drugs on the market, but you didn't find out if they worked. NPR examined 30 years of government data and records and conducted dozens of interviews as part of its investigation. Here are 5 takeaways. NPR found that 42% of currently outstanding confirmatory studies, or 50 of them, either took more than a year to begin following accelerated approval or hadn't started at all. 19 of those required studies still haven't started 3 years or more after accelerated approval. 4 of them haven't started more than 10 years later. That means many drugs that made it to market with an accelerated approval are being used, sometimes for years, without patients, doctors or regulators knowing if they really work. While companies making drugs with accelerated approvals drag their feet to start confirmatory studies, they are also more likely to increase the prices of those drugs, according to GoodRx, a website that helps patients get discounts on drugs.